Okay, so I think it's visible, sir.
Yes.
The screen is visible.
Yes, it's
okay.
visible.
Okay. So I'm going to start. Sir, can you pin me, sir? Can you pin me so that I come on screen? Okay, okay, I got it.
Wait. Yes. Now it's allowed. You can share the screen.
Yes. Okay. Okay, and I'm loud enough, right, sir? I'm loud enough.
Yeah, yeah, loud. It's louder.
Okay, fine, fine. Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a girl. Tra-la-la-la. Hello, friends. My name is Kitty. I live in this village. I have many friends around. Tra-la-la-la-la-la. Tra-la-la-la-la-la. In this village, there lived Kitty's friend Monty the monkey. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Hello, Kitty. Hello, Kitty. How are you? Oh, Monty, I'm fine, thank you. How nice to meet you. Oh, I'm also happy to meet you. Oh, you seem so happy today, Kitty. Yes, Monty, because I am going to meet my friend the fish. Oh, the fish? Your friend the fish? The fish is coming today? Yes, Monty, the fish is coming to meet me today. Oh, that's great. Oh, 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 that's great. Oh, Monty, would you like to stay and meet my friend, the fish? Oh, oh, Kitty, I wish I could, but I have some assignments to do, so I have to get back quickly. Maybe some other time I will join you. So, bye, Kitty. Ho, 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 ho. Bye, Kitty. Bye, Monty. See you. Tra la 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 la. My friend, the fish is coming to meet me today. Tra la 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 la. Then came Kitty's friend, the fish. The fish came swimming slowly by and by. Oh, my dear friend, the fish! I'm so glad to meet you. How are you? Hello, Kitty. I am so fine. I am so happy to meet you too. How have you been? Oh, my dear friend, I've been so good, but I was missing you. Oh, I miss you too. Okay, my dear friend, the fish, would you like to say hi to my friends here tonight? Of course I do. Okay, then please introduce yourself. Sure. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. My name is Chaka Chaka. They also called me the frog-mouthed fish. And you know, I am a freshwater fish. I am found in India, in Bangladesh, in Nepal, in Malaysia, in Indonesia. But you know what? Due to overexploitation, I am an endangered species. So, Kitty, that's who I am. I am an endangered species today. Oh, my dear friend, you take care. Take care. My thoughts and my actions will be with you. Thank you, Kitty, for your kind words. Okay, what about our plan? Which plan, my dear friend? About sanitization programs. Oh, yes. Come on, let us go together. Okay. Okay, Kitty, I love you. I will be with you. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. 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 And then Kitty's friend, the monkey, comes in. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Kitty, Kitty, I cannot see you. Where are you today? Ho, 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 ho. Kitty, Kitty, where are you? Monty, Monty, I don't feel like coming today. You know, I am so sad. I am feeling so sad. Ho, 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 ho. Kitty, what's up? Why are you feeling so sad? You are a happy kid. You know what? My friend, the fish, is no more. Huh? What? The fish? No more? Oh my God, what happened? Just wait, I will let you know. And then Kitty went to fetch her friend the fish. The fish was already dead. Kitty's friend the fish was already dead. And Kitty was quite sad. The fish, Kitty's friend, was no more. Kitty's friend was no more. It died due to indigestion. There was a huge plastic in the stomach of the fish, Chaka Chaka fish. It was so huge. It blocked the digestive system of the fish and it choked the fish and the fish died. It was a disposable sanitary napkin. It was a disposable sanitary napkin that was found in the stomach of the poor fish. we generate about 125 kgs of disposable sanitary napkins. Disposable sanitary napkins are mostly non-biodegradable. It is found in various forms, various brands. For instance, look at this. This is a sanitary pad cover. Stay free, and you will find lots of products like this. Stay free, Whisper, Kotex, and so on. It was out of this product that my friend the fish had to lose its life. My dear friends, I want to tell you something. I want to share something to you. Hey, but there is good news, you know. Just have a look at this. This is a cotton sanitary pad. This is a biodegradable, sanitary, usable, washable sanitary pad. Let me show you. It's made of cotton and cloth. It is reusable, washable, and comfortable. Most importantly, it is not harmful to your health. Besides, it is not harmful to the environment. You know, my dear friends, in India, 121 million girls use non-biodegradable sanitary napkins. And it is a fact. Did you know that sanitary napkins, which are non-biodegradable, they take about 500 to 800 years to decompose. And it blocks drainages, it blocks the digestive system of animals, it blocks canals, drains, etc. And it spoils the environment. My dear friends, I would like to encourage you to switch to biodegradable, health-friendly menstruation products. And well, I've got to tell you something else. You have to wash this sanitary napkin very well and expose it in the sun. But you know, I am ashamed. I feel shy to dry this in the sun.
Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho.
Monty the monkey overheard Kitty.
Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho. Kitty, what are you saying? I overheard you say you feel shy to dry your sanitary napkin in the sun.
Yes, my dear friend Monty. People will laugh at me. I'm ashamed to talk about menstruation.
No, you were doing very well, creating awareness about how we can switch from non-biodegradable sanitary napkins to more eco-friendly, cloth-based, reusable products. You are doing well, but you know what? You should also dry them in the sun so that no more infections happen.
Oh, my dear Monty, thank you so much. I got it. Yes, we have to normalize the conversations on menstruation. Thank you, Monty, for that.
My pleasure, my dear friend Kitty. All the best.
Thank you, Monty. friends, you know, women and girls during their menstruation period, they shed about dash ml liters of blood. Do you know how many liters or milliliters of blood we shed? Anybody, my friends? Do you know? Are you aware? Tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la. My dear friends, you know, women in one menstrual cycle, they lose about 2 to 3 tablespoons of blood or 3 to 4 teaspoons of blood. That's all. So that is about 35 to 40 ml of blood we lose during our menstruation. Don't think that we lose liters and liters of blood. No, about 35 to 40 ml of blood. That's all. Dun, 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 dun. So, my dear friends, I hope you will be encouraged to use eco-friendly, health-friendly sanitary pads. Do share with your friends. And this product, I would like to encourage our e-Shebis to explore enterprise, entrepreneurship on manufacturing, producing eco-friendly sanitary pads. This is from EcoFib at Pondicherry. When you buy this sanitary napkin, you are not only helping the environment and yourself, but you are also helping the rural women who produce this sanitary napkin. So I would like to encourage our e-Shebi friends to try to explore manufacturing, producing eco-friendly sanitary pads. Dun, 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 dun. Bye-bye. Thank you for your time. Hello, have a good day. Bye. So, sir?
Yes, I am here.
Yeah, so that's the end of my puppet, sir. So, just 1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this puppet actually, it is made of this origami paper, and this is also of paper. Then the nose, we made it 3-dimensional. This is thread. And then it depends. If you want to pull the puppet from top, you have to kind of stick maybe a broomstick. This is a broomstick. You can stick it from the top. But if you want to pull it from the bottom, at times you can pull it from the bottom. So there should be a hole here. But since it's a table, I could not do. So if you want to put it from the bottom, here it has to move like this from the bottom. So the string should be at the bottom. And the back of it, you just have to clip. This is a triangle. This one is a triangle. This is a circle. Again, another oval for the ear. So that's it. And you have seen this sanitary pad, which I'm using. And this is my, so this is my stage setup. Just give me a second. Yeah, so these are 2 flaps which I already have. And this is a card box, This is a card box. So you can change the scenes, you can change the scene, you can paste any picture, or at times you can also use the wall. You can use the wall. So what the facilitators were sharing with us is that we always have to use a plain background. When you're doing puppet, you should have a plain background. Today, the table here, then all this, the chair, it's distracting. So, but when I put it here, I have to adjust my camera so that it looks as if that is my only stage. And for the grass, some green paper like this, some green paper, you can decorate. And these two spoons, I brought it here just to show you. This is a teaspoon. So when we have our menstruation, according to medical reports and from medical articles, we find that we shed about 16 to 18 ml of blood during one cycle of menstruation. But if it is a teaspoon, a bigger spoon, it is about 2 to 3 of this teaspoon, a tablespoon, sorry, tablespoon. Many a times I thought I was shedding liters and liters of blood, but it's just few ml. So in average, for 35 to 40 ml. So that's it. Maybe another time I can tell you the cutouts. So this is the cardboard that I used. Another time we can have maybe another workshop where we can learn to put this puppet, move this puppet, not from the top, but from the bottom. Example, I'm just giving you an example here. So if I want to move my puppet from down, so my stage should be like this, and my puppets should come like this. My puppets should come keep talking. And my puppets can be smaller, bigger, animals can move. So since we cannot carry like this, it can be in the reverse. And you can make a slit here so that your puppets can move and your hands will be moving underneath. So DIYs, all home-friendly materials, whatever materials are available in the home, you can make use for any puppetry workshop or sensitization programs for your eShibi volunteers. And I think when we use puppets like this, it's so much easy. It's so relatable. Even, let's say, someone who cannot read and write, it makes it easy to understand. So that's it, my dear friends. I hope you enjoyed.
Thank you very much, Veronica. It was very exciting and surprising to me, and I hope also to my team. So we have very little time, and again I apologize for putting too much pressures to you. And just one quick question of me: is the voice actually given directly from your vocal, or there was some pre-recorded?
So it's my vocal. It's actually, I am not good at mimicry. Otherwise, when we were doing the workshop, the students, they could make not just 2, but 3, 4 voices. It was excellent. Yeah. And we can also play some music in the background. You can, when somebody is entering, when an animal is coming, you can also do that. Or you can do mimicry of birds, then monkey. Yeah. Monkey voice, I could not get it at all.
Okay, so far I understood actually we got huge pressures to you because as you were sick. So it was too, what I will say, because the whole sessions continuing to keeping pressures on your voice. So it was actually, uh, but we are excited actually. So now I will request all the participants that if you have any quick questions to Veronica, and first of all, we have to give a big clap to her. um, we are so lucky that we got her this chance. Yes. Okay. Um,
Thank
so
you so much. Thank you.
now, if you have any quick question for today, we have to finish. So, and I would request Veronica to continue this with another sessions, and you can assign my team to uh, generate some new ideas based on some problems in our local context. In Bangladeshi Ishibis, and also we can invite the Ishibis in Northeast India from Pairanga and Kajirgaon village. They can also participate in future. That would be a bilingual workshops. I hope that in near future we can do that. If you have any quick question, uh, Jannatul or uh, Keapa,
Yes, I
yeah,
have one.
yeah, please.
First of all, thank you, Veronica ma'am, for your excellent presentation.
Thank you.
I was really very excited to see these. I hope all the sisters behind the screen are also very excited like me. So I have not so much question that it is very clear by your presentation that what you wanted to uphold by this issue. But I have a quick remarks on that. In Bangladesh, from FNB Netherlands, I had an experience to work in similar issue back in 2016. Later on that, the project was called Ritu project. Now it is a great bigger project in Bangladesh. Ritu, that means in Bangla, it is ministration that we called in Bangla Ritu. I used to work for their baseline survey. And in your presentation, wherever you unfold the issue that there is some shyness whenever we wanted to use cloths or sanitary napkins or something like that. And even we don't want to talk on the issue publicly, even not with our closer one, like family members, like fathers, like brothers, and like so, especially the male person. So we are very shy. This is a kind of
Stigma.
social kind of constraint. Yes, context. It's our context, and I find that the similar context in also around you, especially in India, because we are in similar context. So here, this context is also prevailing. So I think that whenever we are in future want to apply or experience this puppetry to the community, to avoid them for the issues. So we have to consider in mind how to present these, how to motivate the community people with the positivity, with positive conversation. I hope this kind of presentation is quite good and will be very, very valuable to make community understand about the issue's importance. And lastly, the information that you later part you shared with us, that I also myself thought that we shed liters and liters of blood, but this is really, really interesting to know that we just shed so small amount of blood. So it's a nice to know. And thank you so much once again, and hope to look forward to learn from you in future, if possible. And let's see how to proceed with this experience.
Thank you, Keapa. And from other ECB teams, if anybody want to share your thoughts, and we have 5 minutes only time. Yes.
Yeah.
Jannatul. Yes.
Yes, thank you very much, Veronica ma'am, for your greater presentation. I was really speechless when I saw it. The presentation so beautiful and so beautiful to learn a lesson that is really unimaginable. Truly a huge educational subject it's for us. I have no question. I have just no question. I saw it and I just speechless. I have no question, but it is very excited. Thank you so much.
Okay, Nivedita,
Thank you.
you want to share anything?
Everyone has said about what I wanted to say.
Yes. Okay, that's all. Then Labuni and Farhana, you want to say something?
No, sir. It was a nice experience for me. That's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, okay. So now Veronica is becoming fan, having lots of fans in Bangladesh. Okay. And Farida, Saida Farida.
No, sir. I'm just said to ma'am, it's really amazing and it's very important for us.
Okay.
This message is very important. Thank you.
I think. Okay, Jerin, Sultana, Tonika.
First of all, thank you, Veronica ma'am, for your nice presentation, and your presentation is so clear. So I have no question. Everything is so clear for me and so informative. And we want again another workshop with you. And nice to meet you. And also, it's a great and exciting session, I think.
Okay, so thank you, Veronica, again. So being having some sickness, but you just avail this time. We are thankful to you, and we hope that in another session we will be discussing and what we can do at least from our ECB team in next workshop. We can just come up with some ideas and make some puppetry, or do some origami and show Veronica so that she can get more encouraged to continue with us. And as we have very good connection with RJNYD and the people in RJNYD, so we are very good friends. So I hope that in near future we will be communicating, and some of our ECB trainings also can be customized where this kind of puppetry can be applied for in near future. We will identify the issues and will not be limited with the menstrual issues or environmental. There are lots of issues, huge issues there are. So wherever the issues are, it's a very good channel of communication to the print disabled or illiterate people. Those who cannot read, those who are illiterate. So to convey any kind of message to them, it's very important media to us. So thank you again. And I hope that in near future, we will be enlarged. Our team will, our participants, so that because it will be quadratically actually increase. Because the people who are here, they will again motivate and other people to join in this kind of workshops. And what we can do, we have recorded this video. If you allow us, we can just keep this record to our Trainingology platform. As we created the course there, so as a course material, so this can be preserved, and our future learners and future participants and future colleagues who will be joining here, so that they can just watch this video. So that's all.
Yeah. Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
See
you,
you.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, bye, bye. Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. See you again.
Thank you.
See you again.
Thank you.
Thank
Next
you,
time,
everyone.
if you have